Hey guys, it's Tiffany Riley, and welcome to day 5, 6, whatever you want to call it, of Tiff's Quarantine Entertainment. I know I didn't do a video yesterday. That was actually because I was studying a little bit. I just started a new study with Pop of 71 Ministries, and yeah, I was just preparing for that. Of course, this week is Holy Week leading up to Easter, so yeah. Anyway, today we are going to be doing the water tutorial in this series called For Witchy Elements Makeup, and I already did the fire and the air, so those two videos will be linked in the description below if you want to go see that, and everything else. And of course, if you recreate any of the looks from this series, all you gotta do is just use the hashtag For Witchy Elements Makeup and just tag me in it, and I will post some of my favorites on Instagram. So first of all, of course, is primer. I don't have any primer, so I'm just going to be using the new Hydra Fusion Gel Cream by Avon. I know the lighting may not be good, so I'm trying to use the natural lighting in my bathroom, so the lighting may not be that good. Hopefully it is, because natural lighting is outside my window, so whoops. So hopefully it is. Hopefully, she said. Hopefully the natural lighting from my window is good. Alright, so once we have applied primer and everything else on, we are going to be I'm going to be taking the water palette from Essence or whatever, Cosmetics, which I did a review on all 4 of these palettes. The link will also be in the description if you want to go check that out. I need to get new brushes, like super bad. Alright, so the first color we're going to be taking, which will be for the crease, is a light blue color. And that will be for the crease. Taking the same brush hello, okay, looper right there. I'm going to keep it in anyway. The next color we're going to be taking, of course, will be the outer corner. We're going to be taking a shimmery teal, like dark teal. And we're going to be applying that on the outer corner. Next, we are going to be taking a flathead brush. A flathead brush. And we are going to be taking a light shimmery blue color, and this will be for the lid. For eyeliner, we are actually going to be taking this really dark blue shade. I don't know what it's called, but it's by Starlit Studio. We're going to be using that as eyeliner. This is actually perfect. Liquid eyeshadow is actually perfect for eyeliner for those who are not experienced in eyeliner. The reason being is because it has a chisel tip and it will help you. And it will help guide you better than the actual small. Then we're going to be taking mascara. This is the Super Extend Nourishing Mascara by Avon True Color in the shade Black. And we're just going to be applying just a little bit of that. You don't want to overdo it with mascara. Ow. Okay then. I'm just creating all kinds of bloopers today. Oh well. It's been a long day. Next we're going to be taking a fluffy brush, a blush brush, and I'm going to be taking the Blushed in Love blush and highlighter palette from Avon. This is from their Valentine's collection, and we're going to be using the blush. We're not going to put too much. Simple fact, we don't need too much blush anyway. And of course, the last thing would be the lips. We are going to be taking this glitter gloss from LA Colors in the shade Pink. And just apply that onto the lips. And of course, once we're finished with all of that, I'll pick that up later. Once we're finished with all that, go ahead and set it with the setting spray. This is from Avon. A few squirts of that. We'll set it in place. And this is the completed look. I hope you guys are doing okay. I'm always here. All my socials will be in the description below. My Twitter, my TikTok, my Instagram, everything, my PR, my business email, everything will be in the description below. Hope you guys are doing okay. I'm always here. I'm not a professional, but I will be here for anyone who needs to vent and everything like that. So, hope you guys are doing okay. I'll try my best to make videos like this for you guys and everything like that. So, yeah. Hope you guys are having an amazing day, night, wherever you are in the world, and I'll talk to you later.